So this is the Scout 137 UTM Payload with cleaning. One of the main features of this system is that we can do UTM readings and cleaning at the same go. With feedback from our customers and working with some of the world-leading NDT technicians, we have made this extended NDT technician arm to be able to reach those hard-to-reach places in the field.
The Scout companion app has an intuitive interface containing all the settings and measurement tools a level 2 technician would expect to see. You have the range, delay and velocity, which can be changed with the tap of a button. You have the gates right on the screen, which you can drag and adjust with your fingers. Or you can hand over control to the software by clicking on Auto Gates, in which the algorithm selects the right peaks for you. Now, the A-scan is easy to operate since it's refreshed at 30 Hz, ensuring you get the smooth signal that's easy to work with.
In the standard applications, tanks and large vessels, this is perfect. But the opportunity we have is to change the manipulator to really adapt well to small diameter pipes, where we can also add high temperature probes. So you can do boiler tubes and other high temperature small diameter pipes around a facility.
We are very happy with the Thornetix as our UT provider. The integration has gone well, both software and hardware-wise, and we had a lot of support from them.
Right, well, from Thornetix side, it's absolutely fantastic to be part of the movement to remove humans from harm's way from confined spaces and scaffolding. What you guys have done to create a platform is fantastic.
Some of our key features is that we have a probe holder, we have a cleaning tool, we have magnets for attachments, and we can tilt the whole system to reach everything from straightforward up to 90 degrees up. We also attached a laser pointer to see where you're heading and a contact sensor. The contact sensor allows us to change parameters on the system while attached for best flight performance. With the rotating tool holder and the replaceable cleaning tools, we are able to clean a wide range of surface conditions. It's easy to do refills of the couplants, and one tube gives you about 70 readings depending on the surface condition. We have multiple probes available, and with the probe holder it's easy to change the probe in the field.
Now, calibration is of course an important part of every inspection, and this is done before you start the work, and that's a simple two-step process inside the app. Simply by switching to the calibration tab and putting on your thin and thick reference, clicking on calibrate, and that will be stored for the entire flight. So this is a very nice setup. You have one tablet for the pilot and one for the technician, ensuring the pilot can do his job without interruptions and the technician can focus on what's important for him. This setup is the best and easiest in the market right now. It ensures you get the right reading every time.
Yeah, I think it's a fantastic and exciting time to be in robotics and drone inspections with a solid foundation of the platform to access the area and a solid platform to collect really high quality data. Now it's about what application would you like to do. People thinking, oh, this is going to replace my job as a manual UT technician. Absolutely not. This is going to increase that work. So having robotics products like this will increase the work for NDT and for manual UT technicians.